a while, and today I want to do something a little, not a little bit, a lot delicious. If you don't know me, I'm Dr. Lisa, the person behind the squares here, and I am going to make my famous pumpkin balls, okay? These are delicious. I just put the recipe on my site, the domesticlifestylist.com. And people have been going crazy. So I decided, you know what? Let me go ahead and show you how to do it live. That way you can ask any questions. You can see how easy it is to make. They are no bake, no cook. Takes 15 minutes to make, so it's absolutely easy, delicious. They are dairy free. They are peanut free. They are gluten-free. It is absolutely amazing. No refined sugars. You're gonna love this one. Most of the things you probably already have in your pantry at home. But before I have all my ingredients here waiting to show you what's going on. But before we get started, I wanna tell you something, okay? If you don't have my free e-cookbook, it's called 10 Easy and Healthy Recipes That Your Family Will Enjoy. Not only can you get this recipe today by following along and seeing this on my page, but that will make sure that we stay connected. As well as you'll get my free e-cookbook. It has over 10 delicious, healthy recipes. You know, sometimes you can have gluten and grain-free recipes and they taste like crap. Those are not these recipes, okay? So make sure you get signed up, get the free e-cookbook, and make sure you give me a follow on Instagram so you can always see when I go live and when I share these delicious, healthy recipes. So first things first, I'm gonna start with some pitted dates. Yeah, these dates are pitted. And you can do this by hand, right? But I'm gonna do it with a food processor, using a food processor. So I'm gonna slide my food processor along. Well, I can't slide it too much. Hopefully you can see it because it's plugged in. I didn't think that through. Okay, so I'm gonna put my dates in here. And what I'm gonna do, I don't even know if I need a knife to chop this up a little bit. I'm gonna pulse it a little bit. Get me a knife just in case I need to. So thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and pulse this a little bit, right? So I'm going to pulse that to get it going exactly how it needs to be. Hold on, I'm live, so I'm handling some technical stuff all at the same time. You know, sometimes you gotta just scroll through that and you'll see. Okay, so I'm pulsing this right here. I see y'all joining in. All right, these are my dates, okay? If you're just joining in, these are my dates. They're pitted dates. Do not get the dates with the pits in it because you know what? You will bite on one, it will mess your teeth up, right? And it's just not palatable. It's getting nice and good now. It's really getting together. So, did you know that this month is also National Pumpkin Month? It's National Pumpkin Month. So this is definitely a pumpkin recipe you would like to make. So this is pureed packed pumpkin. So I'm gonna put that in here. All the measurements can be found on domesticlifestyles.com. Wouldn't you know? Look what I did. This was supposed to be pitted dates. I think I found a pit. How crazy is that? Anyway, some pumpkin, and then I'm gonna put my almond flour. This is blanched fine almond flour in there. And then we're gonna put some unsweetened coconut. Please don't put sweetened coconut in this because it will be way too sweet. Dates, if you've never had them, they're very, very sweet. So you don't need any more sweetness in this, trust me. This is refined sugar-free. So this is a snack that you can make for yourself, you can make it for your family, you can make for your kids, and you can feel pretty good about it. Now, because this recipe has just a few ingredients, you wanna make sure that you're using the best ingredients possible. So I'm gonna put in some vanilla extract in here. Some pure vanilla extract. Don't use the essence. This is about a half teaspoon. Right? So this is about a half teaspoon you're gonna see here. And then I am going to add some cinnamon, which is gonna be about the same amount. All right, some ground cinnamon. Y'all make sure you have these things on hand for the holidays now, because people out there are acting crazy with the things that they are buying and everything like that. And then we're gonna put some nutmeg, ground nutmeg. Have you ever seen like a fresh ground nutmeg before? My mom used to use it all the time. I'm not sure where you guys are from, but my mom's from the Caribbean, so she loves to use that fresh. She would grate her own nutmeg, okay? She will take the nut and grate that nutmeg. And then I have some cardamom, which, by the way, was running late. It smells so good. Oh yeah, you gotta smell that. Like, if you haven't tried cooking with this before, it's absolutely amazing. So this is gonna be about an 8 teaspoon. I'm sure I put way too much, but I'm eyeballing it. And then, let's see, hold on. I'm trying to do some tech stuff on the other side here because we're trying to find the live bubble. Yep, okay. I don't know where it is. Okay, that's fine. But just keep looking, see if you see it. And then I have some salt I'm gonna put in here. So some sea salt. Yeah. You know about that nutmeg, right? I'm telling you. So a little sea salt. And guess what? I think that's it. So we're gonna pulse this up for a little bit more. And it's gonna form a ball in the food processor. So I can't get any closer, but just watch down here. It's kind of gonna form a ball. Oh, let's go. Yep. You see that ball formation on the bottom? You see that? That big thing right there is the ball. And I'm gonna stop it. Okay. More ball-like. So listen, if you did not want to get your hands messy, guess what? I can't help you. This is not the recipe. This recipe, you will get your hands messy, okay? You will get your hands messy for this one. So this is what it looks like. I'm taking it straight out of the food processor, right? And my hands are gonna get messy. I already told you. So wait, I didn't get a. So I need to get a spoon. Okay. So can you pass me a spoon? So I'm gonna get a spoon. I like to get like a. Can you get in there? If not, I'll just eyeball it, which is not a problem. I'm not gonna make all of these for you. I'm just gonna make like 2 so you can see how easy it is. So, you know, this is not a teaspoon, but okay. So, so I'm gonna eyeball this, right? And we're gonna get it right here, and then you're gonna cup your hands like that. Okay? Look at that. Like, if you've ever made homemade meatballs, this is the same way that you would go about making this pumpkin ball, okay? And then I'm gonna just go ahead and roll it. Let me show you what I'm rolling it in. I'm gonna roll it in some more unsweetened coconut. And this is what the pumpkin ball looks like. Do you see? So I don't know, how long have I been cooking? Well, preparing this. I went live at 3:10, so it's about 10 minutes. I say 15 minutes for the recipe. It's not even 15 minutes. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you another one, a couple more. Of course, my hands are nice and sticky. If you have littles at home, or if you have even bigger kids at home who think they're grown, this is really a good thing to do with them, okay? So we're gonna roll it up again. I just eyeball that one. Yep. Hey, Adrian. Okay, and then I'm gonna, again, put it into the flaked coconut. And that's that simple. Last night now for dinner, what I did, which is not related to the, well, actually the story is kind of related. So last night for dinner, I did like a nice whole chicken with like asparagus and vegetables, like some really cool stuff, right? And yeah, it's definitely super easy to make. Look at that. It just comes together nicely. And I'm doing this live. You see, I didn't pre-prep anything because I want to show you how easy, see that? How easy it is. And I'm going to roll it. So anyway, after dinner, which was roast chicken and vegetables and potatoes and like all this nice fall, just beautiful fall flavors, I gave the kids some of these balls again. My son wanted more and I didn't have any more. So I promised him that I would make him some more. So here they are. Okay, and of course, this is how I really do stuff here. So let me wipe my hands off. Again, if you're just hopping in and you don't follow this page, make sure you give it a follow for when I go live or when I'm showing more of my healthy and tasty recipes. And be sure to get my free e-cookbook. So these are the balls. This is gonna get you, this recipe is gonna get you about 8 servings, okay? So 1 ball per person, so about 8 servings gonna get. So make sure you download my free e-cookbook. It's called 10 Easy and Healthy Recipes That Your Family Will Enjoy. And you will always have access to delicious, healthy recipes that are gluten-free, usually dairy-free, but no cheese. If I use some type of butter, it's usually like ghee, and they are tasty, usually refined, sugar-free, and they are good for you, okay? So thank you so much for tuning and watching. Remember to eat healthfully, and I will see you on the next one. Now, this is the part now. I'm gonna take a bite. That was good. Bye for now.